I love the Honors College. The faculty actually really care about you and really want you to succeed. I took Stories That Heal with Dr. Lucy Malinky. We talked about what racial equality is, what racism is, and we kind of like tried to connect it back to our future careers and how we would try to make a difference. That's actually how I chose my topic for my honors thesis, looking at the mediation of internalized racism between skin color satisfaction and self-esteem. After graduating from JMU, I plan on getting either my PhD in school psychology or family and clinical psychology. I am working with a wonderful woman named Monica Robinson. We have been uncovering lost history in the Shenandoah Valley. So last semester, I did some research on the Effinger Street School, which came before the Lucy Sims School, which there is an exhibit. It's been great for me to get involved with the community because, you know, this is where I am now, and I definitely want to give back.